Here come the Monster Jam trucks. Redneck Rampage and Mechanical Mischief is the other one. I like the Redneck Rampage one. Get her done. You want to go up to Mom and fry some cooter biscuits? Get her done, son. That's pretty cool right there. And they're going to be crushing a big size minivan. Me and Sam actually were inside of that thing last year, and they're going to smash it tonight. Good thing we're not in it now, because that wouldn't be good. But this is going to be sweet. That minivan's actually from 2004, and I was 8 years old when that thing was brand new. Here we go. Because that has the owner's manual in it. For that white minivan has the owner's manual from 2004. And here we go. Redneck Rampage, get it done. There goes the Mopar van. Woo! Oh, big jump, big jump, big jump, right there. Woo! Redneck Rampage. Hit the jump. Oh! Oh, they got more cars parked over there. Smoking and crushing them. Woo! Nice. Hit all the stops out here. How about hit the ambulance? That would be kind of something. The ambulance down on Sycamore Street. Nice. Not bad for Redneck Rampage. Get her done, son. Chevy. And they're both Chevy Silverados. I like that. Mechanical Mischief, it's your turn, buddy. Let's see what you got under that hood. Vroom, vroom. Double the Chevy power, twice the fun. Get her done, son. There we go. Ow! 10,000 pounds of Chevy power. Get her done. There's front throat. This truck really gets some big air when he gets up to it. Yeah! One of these guys had a backflip last year. That was pretty cool seeing that. Yeah, big air right there. That was pretty, I say you should take that big air jump for this thing. Here he comes with those crush cars. Hit it up. Woo! Nice. Woo! There he comes, there he comes. Woo! Not bad.